Home Remedies presents 8 surprising ways to use toothpaste. Have you ever wondered that a simple tube of toothpaste can actually make life easier and better as well? Everyone uses toothpaste to brush their teeth. But do you know the alternative uses? Did you know toothpaste can help heal a bruise? This is just one of the many unusual home remedies using toothpaste. There are so many surprising uses of toothpaste that I never knew about. Let's see what are those. Heal a bruise. Try mixing toothpaste with lotion in equal proportions and apply the homemade salve to a bruise before bed. Loosely cover the bruise and rinse the area in the morning. Repeat this process until the bruise disappears within 2 to 3 days. Treat acne and pimples. Instead of rubbing strange things on your faces, try dabbing non-whitening toothpaste, no gels, on a pimple in the evening. It will dry up the zit by the next morning. Deodorize hands. It is obvious that after cutting garlic or handling fish, you may feel desperate to rid your hands of those nasty smells. Toothpaste deodorizes hands in the same way it does your mouth. Try it. Soothe a bug bite. Dab a drop of toothpaste on a bug bite or insect sting to soothe the itch or pain. This home remedy works for all sorts of skin ailments. Clean fingernails. If toothpaste works for your teeth, it should work for your nails too, right? For shinier, stronger nails, scrub them regularly with toothpaste. Make sure to scrub both under and over the nails. Shine, chrome, silver and brass. Try lightly scrubbing your precious old metals with a soft toothbrush treated with a dab of toothpaste. Rinse the materials thoroughly and polish with a soft cloth. Remove cell phone scratches. Toothpaste in the wrong places could do damage to your phone. A little bit on the screen is reported to take care of minor scratching. Rub the toothpaste in soft circular motions over the scratch until it disappears. Then just wipe away the toothpaste. Eliminate hair dye stains. Toothpaste works quite effectively in getting rid of residual hair dye stains because it contains just enough abrasive ingredients to safely remove the stain without any harm to sensitive skin. Are you using such toothpaste hacks too? If yes, I would love to see some in the comments please. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.